चैप्टर 8 सॉइल्स ऑफ इंडिया। सॉइल्स मतलब मिट्टी। तो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग जानेंगे कि सॉइल की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, सॉइल कैसे बनता है, किस तरह के सॉइल्स इंडिया में मिलते हैं और सॉइल इरोजन का जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जा सकता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सॉइल। Soil covers a major part of the Earth's surface. It is the loose top layer of our planet's surface. Soil supports, either directly or indirectly, most of the living creatures on this planet. Plant and trees get their nutrients from the soil. Soil is also home to many organisms like beetles, ants, worms, centipedes, and many more. The tiny microbes in the soil help in the decay of dead animals and plants. The importance of soil also lies in its fertility. The process of decomposition also helps in making the soil fertile and creates humus. Humus is a organic substance consisting of decayed vegetable or animal matter. It provides nutrients for plants and increases the water retention capacity of the soil. तो सॉइल हमारे लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि ये हमारे इनडायरेक्टली और डायरेक्टली लाइफ को सपोर्ट करता है, क्योंकि प्लांट्स और ट्रीज सॉइल के बिना ग्रो नहीं कर सकती। कितने सारे ऐसे क्रीचर्स हैं जिसका घर ही सॉइल है, जैसे बीटल्स, एंड्स, वॉर्म्स, सेंटीपीड्स। ये सब हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कितने इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं और उनका घर ही सॉइल है। जो टाइनी माइक्रोब्स जो हम अपने नेकेड आई से देख नहीं सकते, पर ये सॉइल में रहते हैं, ये लोग काफ़ी काम करते हैं सॉइल को एनरिच करने के लिए। सॉइल की फर्टिलिटी को ये लोग इम्प्रूव करते हैं और इसकी वजह से सॉइल फर्टाइल होता है, और सॉइल फर्टाइल होगा तो तभी जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसका क्वालिटी भी अच्छा होगा। Then formation of soil. How the soil is formed. Formation of soil is a process that takes over hundreds of years. Some of the factors responsible for soil formation are rain. When rain falls over the mountains, the water brings with it very small rocks and minerals. The process of wearing or grinding down of particles washed away by water is called erosion. These fine rock particles settle down on river beds or land and make soil. Another important factor is climate. Moisture, rain, and temperature together can break down the rocks and hard surfaces into fine particles. Extreme temperature also affect mountains and rocks. Too much heat leads to expansion and cracking of hard surfaces. When it rains, water gets collected in these cracks, and when temperature goes below freezing point, the frozen water puts pressure on the sides of the rocks, breaking them further into small pieces. Roots of plants can also break hard rocks into very fine pebbles. The roots penetrate into the cracks and break the rocks. The sediments or pieces of rocks may move around quickly, but it takes hundreds of years to turn them into soil. If the soil gets polluted, we cannot renew it in our lifetime. It takes thousands of years for it to be formed again. So soil एक तो कितना टाइम लेता है बनने में, एक अच्छी क्वालिटी सॉइल बनने में हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स लग जाते हैं। और जो फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं सॉइल को बनाने के लिए, एक है रेन, दूसरा है क्लाइमेट एंड तीसरा है प्लांट्स। ये तीनों फैक्टर्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जो कई सालों से धीरे धीरे कितने प्रोसेसेस के थ्रू जाते हैं और फिर सॉइल बनता है। तो सॉइल, अगर एक बार सॉइल किसी तरह से पोल्यूट हो जाता है या ख़राब हो जाता है तो फिर वो बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसको फिर से एनरिच होने में। Types of soil. India is a vast country. Different regions have different types of soil. Black soil. It is also called rigger soil or cotton soil. This soil is black in color. It has a fine texture and can retain a lot of water. It has a high humus content and is rich in clay. This type of soil is suitable for growing cotton. It is formed by the breaking up of lava rocks that erupt out of volcanoes. This soil is found in central and northwestern part of the southern plateau, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, parts of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. Red soil. It is mostly found in the southern plateau region. Red soil contains iron which gives it a red color. It is also formed by the breaking up of igneous and metamorphic rocks. It is typically found in areas where there is relatively less rainfall. It is not suitable for growing crops. However, farmers add manure and manage to grow a few crops like groundnut, jowar, or bajra. This type of soil is found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Assam. Next is alluvial soil. It is most suitable soil for growing food crops. It is found in the regions which are drained by rivers and their tributaries. For example, the northern plains of India and the delta regions. It is found in the states of Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam and Haryana. This soil is rich in minerals. The rivers normally carry large quantities of silt or alluvium. Silt consists of the fine particles in soil which are carried by running water and are deposited as sediments. As the river flows, the silt gets deposited on the banks of the rivers and the areas around it. Alluvial soil is good for the cultivation of rice, wheat, jute, pulses, sugarcane and oilseed. This is the most common type of soil found in India. Desert soil. It is mainly found in the dry and arid areas of Rajasthan and Gujarat. It is a very dry soil and is reddish brown in color. It is porous, infertile and cannot retain moisture. Although it is not possible to grow crops in this region, but proper irrigation facilities have enabled cultivation of some crops. Forest soil, mountain soil. It is mostly found in the mountain regions of India. It is dark brown or black in color. This soil is very fertile because of the presence of humus. This type of soil is found in the lower altitudes of the Himalayas and the regions of Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. A large variety of tropical fruits, tea, coffee and spices are grown in these regions. Wheat, maize and barley can also be grown in this soil. Laterite soil. It is a mixture of red soil and clay that is found mostly in regions with adequate rainfall. It has low humus content. This soil is rich in iron and aluminium. It is found in the Western Ghats, part of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Assam, West Bengal, Meghalaya and Telangana. It is yellowish brown in color. Crops like rubber, coconut, groundnut, cashew, spices, tea, coffee and tobacco can be grown in this kind of soil. Soil erosion and soil conservation. Soil erosion takes place when the soil is blown away by wind or washed away by rivers or rain. Soil erosion normally takes place in areas that have steep slopes or where trees have been cut down for fuel or commercial purposes. This is called deforestation. Soil erosion can be reduced by building terraces on hillsides and introducing irrigation facilities to overcome droughts. Planting of trees so that the roots of the plant hold the soil together is called afforestation and is the best solution to prevent soil erosion. Plants on the banks of rivers and wetlands are of utmost importance as their roots bind the soil and slow down the flow of water. The prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. It is very important that our farming techniques do not damage the structure of the soil. A good farming technique involves covering bare farmland with grass, crop rotation, and keeping the soil rich in humus.